you get here? You got here 5 minutes ago? Oh. I didn't even notice you. Because I was asleep. No, I'm not feeling too well. I can't stop coughing. My throat is sore. My head hurts. And my nose, it's so clogged up I can't even breathe out my nose. And I can't stop sneezing either. What do you have in that bag of yours? Oh. Are those treats for me? Oh, thank you. You're so kind, sweet, and thoughtful. I wonder if there's something in there that won't make me stop having this bad cough of mine. It's getting super annoying and it really hurts. Let's see. There's tea. There's cough drops. There's lotion. You're my savior. Thank you for coming over and taking care of me. I really appreciate it. Hey, what are you doing? You can't get close to me. If you do, you'll get sick, you know? Just stay away from me from now. Once I get better, we'll hang out some more. Okay? Alright. Thank you. I really appreciate you looking after me. But now, I think I'm just gonna get some tea and watch some things. I hope the tea can settle this bad cough. It hurts. I'm fine. Now I think you should get on your way. Don't you have something to do right about now, right? Thank you for checking up again on me as you do. I'm really proud to have you as my BF. Stay safe. Don't get sick too. All right. Vitamin C you later. It hurts to laugh. And now for some good sick day resting time.